Hey yo, what's up people, this is Ajish Nair and you're watching The Real Men Show. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be reviewing Brylcreem Dandruff Product Hair Cream. So if you want to know if this product worth it or not, stick with me till the end of the video and you will know it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Talking about the packaging, the product comes in an inverse cylindrical plastic box which is black in color. You should be careful while opening it because it may have chances to spill it off. When you open the box, you will find the actual product which is sky blue in color and the consistency of the product is very creamy. Talking about the smell is very mild and the people who have problem with strong smell, this product is a good choice. The smell of this product is almost identical to Synthol Deo soap. Talking about the pricing, a 75 gram pack will cost you around 80 rupees. It is available online as well as offline. If you want to buy it, there is a link in the description that will help the channel. Talking about the ingredients, it contains a lot of stuff like glycerin, synthetic beeswax, mineral oil. The ingredients used in this product are pretty much okay type. Not much quality ingredients are included in this product. Enough of the talking, let's see how to use this product. Take coin-sized amount of hair cream. Rub your hands and apply on damp or dry hair. Talking about the conclusion, you should use the product as per your hair length. If you use it more, it will make your hair look more oily, and if you use in a perfect quantity according to your hair length, it will add a natural glossy look to your hair. This product is good for people who wants to achieve a natural glossy look and don't bother about the hold. So this was it guys. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press that bell icon so that you never miss an update from The Real Men Show. मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, नमस्ते.